Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start the introduction part of C programming language. So the first question in everyone's mind that should come is what is C programming? So question is what is a C programming? So in simple words, C programming is a programming language. It is a programming language. It is a computer understandable programming language. So the next question is what is a programming language? Before we jump into what is C programming, how C programming works, how compiler works, how it takes input, how input gives the output, we should know what is a programming language. So programming language in name itself has two parts, a programming and a language. So the first part is program and the second part is language. So first we should understand what is a program. Program is a set of instructions that computer uses to perform a specific function. So what it actually means is it is a set of instructions. Set of instruction to perform any task. We may take anything in everyday life. Everything we do it in a proper way in step-by-step format, such as heating a water. So just take water in a vessel is the step one. Lighting up the stove is step two. Place it on the stove and let it heat is the step three. So these are the process. So this is a set of instructions. So when we comply with the set of instruction with a computer, it works as a program. So in a programming language, what we do, for example, a multiplying a number. So taking the number from the user input or giving the number in the program itself, multiply the numbers, giving the outputs. This is what step-by-step format in a programming language. So this step-by-step program or this step-by-step set of instruction given to a computer so that computer will give me back the desired output is known as program. Second part, the language. What is the language? Language is the medium with which we can communicate with someone. For human communication, we have many languages: Hindi, English, French, any language which are understandable to both. Okay, so for human communication, we have many type of languages. But what machine understands is for creating an application or a software, we need to communicate with machine or machine understandable language. But machine only understand the binary language that is zeros and ones. Since it understand only 0 and 1, so we have to give it the input or the instructions in 0 1 format or the binary format. But it is not possible to give the inputs or the write a program in binary format. So here the role of programming languages comes. The concept of computer language or the programming language comes, such as C, C++, Java, Python, where these languages gives us the opportunity to write a program in human understandable language that is called the high level language, where we use A, B, C, D or different type of words, numbers, strings, integers, etc. The compiler of individual programmers convert into a machine understandable language. That machine understandable language is read by CPU. By reading the language and taking the inputs, it gives certified or the desired output what is to be done and let give us the desired output. Such as first what it takes for any programming language, it takes the high level language where a equal to 10, b equal to 10, b equal to 10, c equal to a plus b, print c. These are human understandable language, but this cannot be understood by computer or the CPU. So here the role of compiler comes. Compiler comes and convert it into a machine understandable language. So this is the A, B, these all languages or these are the lines which are converted into zeros and one. That is a binary language, and compiler gives it to the CPU which process the input and give us the desired output. So this is what the computer language or programming language actually is. Taking a set of instruction from a high level language to a machine understandable language, process the data, as a machine understandable language. The machine understandable language is also known as the low level language, which CPU can process and gives us the desired output in a high level language. This is the main introductory part of the programming language. We will continue the video later.